Okay, mate. I'm not sure what I was clicking there. Yeah. Okay, so let's check out Rad here. It does look very good, I have to say. Bond is a potential candidate. We just need to find one. Yeah, you do only need one. Honestly, you do only need one. That's it. And ride that thing right to the top. Build your capital. So Rad, I really like. It's a shame that there is no market maker volume here. There's decent volume here. I do like this. This comes off straight away as a giant test pump. At some point we'll test these highs up here, which means that's well, we'll just measure it just to, there's 150%, and it'll probably pierce above there, right? It'll probably go above that, but this is kind of a test pump, and these can be targets into the future, just like here was a target here, and that spiked right up and people sold into this target. This will grind higher. I'd be tempted to buy some Rad myself, like as a spot trade. It can take many weeks or months, but if you have the patience and the time for this to grind, I mean, it really does look like it'll bounce 150%. So yeah, I honestly, I really like it. I like the base. It hasn't ran yet. I like the structure. I like the compression of the White 100. I like the bit of volume here into the volume spike that can sometimes lead a breakout. I like the test pump there. Let me just show you a coin. Let me go back to the 3-day here just to us before I flip. Yeah, okay, look at this test pump here. Was it auction or AGLD? I think I'm getting mixed up here. I think it's, but here's something similar. Look at this test pump here in the base, and then when it finally runs and breaks out of this apex, it runs. Okay. AGLD, I think, was the coin I was thinking of. It's more of a grindy type coin. Like I'm still holding this, and I bought it here, somewhere here on this drop below this wick here, and I'm still holding it. It's been frustrating. It would have been very nice if one of those coins had actually just done this and had huge spikes on it and big moves higher. It didn't do it. It's a very grindy coin. I'm still holding it. I was still hoping for that spike. Currently, I'm up 170% or something or whatever. Yeah, I mean, I would have liked it, one of those big spike of a coins way up higher, but it didn't get that, unfortunately. Still holding it. Let's see. But also, I want to take you out to the weekly here. The compression here, and eventually it just grinds higher. But look at this, it's a longer term hold, but it reached the test pump and it got above the test pump. Like, I remember talking about this test pump when we were, like, it seemed large at the time down here. I'm gonna get confused now with AGLD. I actually think I bought it down here, and then I didn't sell on this because it was very quick overnight. And then by the time I woke up in the morning, it was almost back down or something like that. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. But you can just see the nature of it. That had the test pump, but we later grinded back up into it. But auction, yeah, I bought auction also. I made 7x off auction, or something like that. Let's just measure that. Yeah, look, there's 9x. I think I only made 7x something. Maybe it was in there I bought, maybe it was on here I bought, yeah, somewhere on there, but I made about 7x on it, and a very good, I actually sold higher than here. I sold up on these wicks, so my buy must have been slightly higher than here, but I made just about 7x, whatever, somewhere in there. But why I'm bringing this up is Rad reminds me of it. Reminds me of a mixture of both. Look at this here. I might actually buy a little bit of Rad myself, and if it does drop lower, I'll buy more. You're 100% right. It definitely did hold up well today. It's up 5% today, and the market is an absolute bloodbath basically. Boom is now down 38%. Sorry, I just got to check this. Yeah, okay, mate. Sorry, I paused the video there. I was looking at Boom just because it's down 38%. I posted in the group there. But this, if you're trying to trade it on futures, you could even buy right now, as long as it holds above this green line here. The green line is our trending tool line. that is sitting there at about 250. That's if you're trading on futures, but I do like it for a buy and a hold on spot to go a lot higher. Nice. See, there's a bullish daily stop on here as well today. Oh, sorry, that's a 3-day. So there's a bit of a bullish stop on there. The white 100 is starting to develop. Like if you bought here and you're willing to buy here as well, for example, if it did drop there, eventually this should go right. It should. It looks pretty good, unless the entire market is just going to completely neck itself and crash or whatever. But when I go back to this chart here, this looks fine to me. This is building in an apex, and a lot of times you can break up out of there, and I would be targeting here. I would be targeting up here at $6, which is even more than $6. And well, there's 150% almost. A dip there would be fantastic. If it does give more dip and you're willing to add there, honestly, like it can really bump up your profit margin if you have the patience on spot. I really like this. I think it's pretty good. I'm tempted to buy some myself.